In this video, we will talk about top 12 tips on how to use eyeshadow perfectly. Makeup is just as important as, if not more important than the clothes you wear in completing your appearance. We have also seen ladies who don't know how to properly wear eye makeup. However, we have seen women who know how to really apply it to seem put together and attractive. Are you not interested in being one of those women? Of course, and we will give you some pointers to help you do just that. My name is Richard, and I want to welcome you to our channel. We want to say thank you very much if you have been watching our videos. But if this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you won't miss important videos. The good news is that using eyeshadow properly isn't tough at all. It's just a matter of figuring out the best strategy for you and your personal style. Don't hesitate if you have to try a few times before you get it right. Apply a base coat on your eyes the same as you do the rest of your face. You may use loose powder or add the foundation to the eye region. It provides a clean, even palette from which to work. Blending, blending, and blending some more. This is something I can't emphasize often. Experiment about it. After blending one eye, simply add the other with a brush. You will immediately understand what I'm referring to, and you will never forget to blend again. If you want dramatic eyes, wet your eyeshadow brush and plunge it in water before applying the shadow. It will provide a much darker, more vivid hue. Wear purple, violet, taupe, gray, deep blue and black if you have blue eyes. Fuchsia, turquoise and silver are examples of unusual colors. Wear purple, plum, forest green, brown and khaki if you have green eyes. Light green, gold and bright purple are examples of unusual colors. Wear champagne, copper, brown, apricot, khaki and beige if you have brown eyes. Royal blue, tangerine and hand-hot pink are examples of unusual colors. Navy, powder blue and charcoal are colors that can be worn by anybody. Silver is a fun color to use. To mirror and make your eyes look younger, use a light shadow in the inner corner of your eyes. Use a bright color on the inner corner and a darker color in the center to make the eyes look wider. Practice until you have your eyeshadow application down to a science. When you have mastered the technique, the makeup will appear more real and polished. If you are enjoying this video, please hit the subscribe button, like and share so others can benefit from the knowledge. Also drop your comment so I will know if you are communicating. Only use the black shadow on the upper eyelids from the lash line to the crease. From just below the crease of the eyelid to the brow bone, apply your medium shadow. Around the brow bone, apply a highlight. When you do things this way, your features will stand out naturally and beautifully. That concludes the discussion. You now know how to wear eyeshadow to look your best, thanks to these top tricks. Keep in mind that when you practice all of these steps, you should pay attention to what fits best for you. Thank you for watching our video that explains top 12 tips on how to use eyeshadow perfectly. I hope you learned a lot. If this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and watch the other videos on our playlist.